few months ago, I published a video here on some third-party batteries that I got for my DeWalt system. Today I'm going to tell you what I think. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a set of plans to build a smart wood shop like this for yourself or one of my workbenches, there's a link in the description of this video down below where you can go directly to our website, to our store, purchase the plans, and download them instantaneously 24/7, 365. These third-party batteries that I got were quite a bit less money. I think I got them for two for less than the price of one brand name battery. And I wasn't afraid to give them a try. In my electronics, my camera gear, I use third-party batteries all the time, and I've been doing it for a long time. And I have never had a trouble with them. And I would be more concerned about my expensive electronics than a drill. But if these failed or did not run the tool as long, there would be lower value to them. I would get the satisfaction of saving money up front, but over the long haul, they would cost me more. Well, at this point, this is not scientific. I haven't put any meters on it. I haven't put any timers on to test the duration, the durability of the charge. All I'm sharing here is just personal experience. I have used these two batteries as my go-to. To date, I have not noticed any difference in performance. I grab them, I'm just as happy to use these as my OEM batteries. I'm going to take a look at this in about a year or so. I put a calendar notation when I purchased them, and then I've got a notation a year from when I purchased them. So that'll be a good time to see if they are durable in the sense of continuing to provide the durability in the sense of how long they will run the tool. If I'm routing and every time I go to route they do a little bit and die and I'm constantly changing batteries, that wouldn't be a good thing. I'm not experiencing that right now. I am not noticing any difference when I'm using these versus the OEM. So if I find a difference, I'll make another, in fact I'll make the video in that year time period anyway just to update you. But at this point, I'm comfortable buying more of these, and I'm going to probably look around for some of the bigger flex volts and give those a try. If you like these videos, if you've learned anything, if you'd like to see me make more, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and remember to ring that bell so YouTube will let you know when I put up a new video. And one other thing, if you get a chance, share this channel with somebody you know. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.